Are you two?
3.
How old are you?
3.
Show me. Let me see the hands.
Where's the button to record it?
Are you two?
3.
3. Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 10.
1, 2, 3, 10. How about 4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How about 5?
1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Norman? Can you do 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed, please? Mama? How about one little Norman jumping on the couch? He fell off and broke a mouse.